Hello students. So today I am going to discuss how to find the image of the line in the plane. Okay. So in our previous class, we have already discussed how to find the image of the point in the line as well as in the plane. Now we have to find the image of the line in the plane. So coming to our previous models, if you want to find the image of a point, it should be a point. Whereas coming to today's class, we have to find the image of the line. It means we have to find another line equation. It means we have to find the image of the given line equation. Okay. So coming to the diagram, if you observe the diagram, so this is the given line. So this I am treating this as a given line. Okay. This as a given line. So and here I have named 3 points. One is A, and the second one is P, and the third one is P. Here A is nothing but that is here A is the point which lies on the given line. Okay. Since the given line is of the form x minus x1 by A is equal to y minus y1 by B is equal to z minus z1 by C. So the x1, y1, z1 can be treated as the point on the line equation. Okay. And that particular point is A. I am treating that particular point as A. And coming to the point B, so B is nothing but the image of the point A. Okay. B is the image of the point A. So we don't know B, but we have to find the point B. Okay. So and P is nothing but that P is any point on the given line. And I am treating the point P as any point on the given line. Yes, we can find any point on the given line by equating the given line to small r. Okay, then we can get any point on the line and that point should be B, P, P, P. Okay, right. So, so the image is nothing but, so in the diagram, so the image line is nothing but this is the image line. This is the image line. So it means we have to find the line PB. Okay. So PB is the line which is the image of the given line. So we have to find that particular line equation. Okay. So once again, so step by step, I can solve that. I can solve the given problem. Okay. So coming to the solution, first we have to write the given line equation. So given line is x minus 1 by 2 is equal to y minus 2 by 3 is equal to z minus 3 by 4. So this is the given line. Okay. So clearly A is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 is a point on the given line. On the given line. Yes, it was very clear. So since we are having x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1. So that x1, y1, z1 can be treated as a point on the line. And here we are having 1 comma 2 comma 3 in place of x1, y1, z1. So clearly, so A 1, 2, 3 is a point on the given line. Okay. So that is our first step. So after that, immediately after writing the point A, now I am going to find the image of the point A. Okay. And that image of the point A is nothing but B. Okay. I am supposing let B be the image of the point A. Let B be the image of the point A. Okay. So now I am going to find the equation of the line AB. If you want to find the point B, first I want to find the equation of the line AB. So if you want to find equation of the line, we require 1 point and also the drs of that particular line. Okay. So here I am having 1 point, that is capital A. And here we are not having drs, but the line AB is perpendicular to the given plane. So whenever the line is perpendicular to the given plane, so we can take the coefficients of x comma y comma z in the plane equation as drs. Okay. So I am writing that particular sentence since the line AB bar is perpendicular to the given line, so the given plane. So the DRs of AB bar or AR. So the coefficients of x comma y comma z in the given planes are in the given plane is 1 comma 1 comma 1. Okay. So now we can find the equation of the line AB. Okay. So we are having DRs and also we are having the passing point. So whenever we are having the passing point and DRs, then we can find the equation of the line, that particular line. So now I am finding. So therefore, the equation of the line AB bar. So I am writing the formula first is x minus x1 by A is equal to y minus y1 by B is equal to so z minus z1 by C. So in order to find the image of the point A, so first we have to find the equation of the line AB. Okay. So now I am substituting the values in this line equation. So x minus here x1 y1 z1 is nothing but the point A. We have to treat the point A as x1 y1 z1. So x minus 1 by and A comma B comma C as 1 comma 1 comma 1. Those are the DRs for this line. So by 1 is equal to y minus 2 by 1 is equal to z minus 3 by 1. So this is the equation of the line AB. Okay. So this is the equation of the line AB. So now if you want to, so we have supposed that B is the image of the point A. Okay. So this is the equation of the line. If you want to write any point on this particular line, we have to suppose this line equation is equal to small r, say. Okay. I am equating the line equation AB is equal to small r. So then we get x minus 1 is equal to small r, y minus 2 is equal to small r, and z minus 3 is also equal to small r. So that we get x is equal to r plus 1 and y is equal to r plus 2 and z is equal to r plus 3. So this is the point. So therefore we can write any point on the line AB bar is I am naming that any point as B, and that B is equal to r plus 1 comma r plus 2 comma r plus. I don't know B. So now I am going to find the point B. So okay. So first I have finded the equation of the line AB. So after finding the line equation, I have supposed that line equation should equal to small r. So whenever that line equation is equal to small r, we get any point on the line, and that any point can be I am naming that any point as small b. I mean sorry, capital B. Okay. So after finding so B, so but B we are having B in terms of small r. So we have to find the value of r. Okay. So if you observe the line AB, so clearly the midpoint of AB clearly lies on the given plane. If you observe the diagram, clearly the midpoint of AB lies in the given plane. So that I am writing. So by observation, first I have to find the midpoint of AB. In order to find the value of r, so that I am finding the midpoint of AB. So the midpoint of AB. The midpoint of the line AB is equal to, so the formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, comma, y1 plus y2 by 2, comma, z1 plus z2 by 2. Okay, this is the formula to find the midpoint of AB. So whenever we are having 2 points, we can find midpoint. So this is equal to, here x1 is nothing but 1, y1 is 1, z1 is 1, and x2, y2, z2 is r plus 1, r plus 2, r plus 3. So that we get r plus 1 by 2, comma, r plus 2 plus 1, one minute. Okay, here we have to find the midpoint of the points A comma B. So treat the point A as x1 y1 z1 and B as x2 y2 z2. So if you write x1 plus x2 by 2, we get r plus 1 by 2. Okay, And if you write y1 plus y2 by 2, we get r plus 2 plus 2. So since we are having here 2, r plus 2 plus 2 by 2, comma, and x3, I mean z1 plus z2 by 2 is nothing but r plus 3 by 2. Okay, so this implies we get r plus 2 by 2, comma, r plus 4 by 2, comma, r plus 6 by 2. So this is the midpoint of a comma b. Okay, midpoint of a comma b. So if this midpoint, clearly in the diagram we observe that that midpoint lies in the plane. So that I am writing if the midpoint, lies on the plane, then so this particular point satisfies the given line plane equation. Okay, so treat the midpoint as x1 y1 sorry xyz, and we have to substitute this particular point in the given plane equation, so that we get the given plane equation is x plus y plus z minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so now we have to substitute this particular point in this plane equation, so that we get r plus 2 by 2 plus r plus 4 by 2 plus r plus 6 by 2 minus 1 is equal to 0. On finding LCM, we get 2 is the LCM, so that we get r plus 2 plus r plus 4 plus r plus 6 minus 2 is equal to 0. So and finally we get r plus r which is 3r, 6 plus 4 10, 2 minus 2 2 and minus 2 gets cancelled. So 3r plus 10 is equal to 0, and this implies 3r is equal to minus 10, and this implies r is equal to minus 10 by 3. So we get the value of r as minus 10 by 3. So whenever we get a small r, now we can find the point B. Okay, so now we can find the point B. So therefore, so B is equal to, so what is the B? So B is nothing but r plus 1, comma, r plus 2, comma, r plus 3. So now I am going to substitute the value of r. So minus 10 by 3 plus 1, comma, minus 10 by 3 plus 2, comma, minus 10 by 3 plus 3. Okay, so on simplification we get, so this point as minus 7 by 3, comma, minus 4 by 3, comma, and minus 1 by 3. So this is the point B, and we have supposed that B is the image of the point A. Okay, so now I have found the point B, and that point is nothing but minus 7 by 3, comma, minus 4 by 3, comma, minus 1 by 3. So why we have finded the point B? So we have finded the point B because, so here in this particular problem we have to find the image of the line. It means it should also be a line equation. So in order to find the line equation, we require at least 2 points or a point together with drs. So it means we have to find the line BP. So BP is the required image line we have to find. So in order to find the line PB, definitely we have to know the point B or P. Okay, so now I have find the point B. So now I am going to find the point P also. Okay, so whenever we get 2 points, then we can find the image of the then we can find the equation of the line by using those 2 points. Okay, right. So after getting B, now I am going to find the point P. So that point P in the diagram, we observe that point P is nothing but that is any point on the line, given line. Okay, so since we are having the given line equation, if we suppose that given line equation is equal to small r, then we get any point on the given line, and I am treating that any point on the given line as P. Okay, so once again I am writing the given line equation. So given line is, so given line equation is x minus 1 by 2 is equal to y minus 2 by 3 is equal to z minus 3 by 4. Okay, by supposing this is equal to small r, then we get any point on the given line. Okay, so it means we get x minus 1 is equal to 2r, and y minus 2 is equal to 3r, and z minus 3 is equal to 4r. So finally we get x is equal to 2r plus 1 comma y is equal to 3r plus 2 comma z is equal to 4r plus 3. So this is nothing but any point on the given line, any point on the given line, and that is p is equal to 2r plus 1 comma 3r plus 2 comma 4r plus 3, and clearly that point p lies in the plane. Okay, if you observe the diagram, clearly that point p lies in the plane. So I am once again supposing that if this p lies, if p lies in the plane, then once again we have to substitute this particular point in the given plane equation, that is x plus y plus z minus 1 is equal to 0. So that I am writing directly x is nothing but 2r plus 1 plus 3r plus 2 plus 4r plus 3, x plus y plus z minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so clearly this particular point p satisfies the given plane equation whenever this point lies in the plane. Okay, right, we get 7r plus 2r, that is 9r, 3 plus 2 5, 9r plus 5 is equal to 0. So this implies we get r is equal to minus 5 by 9. So we get the value of r. Whenever we get the value of r, so then we can find the point p. Therefore, so the point p is equal to, so we have to substitute 2 into minus 5 by 9 plus 1 comma 3 into minus 5 by 9 plus 1 comma 4 into minus 5 by 9 plus 3. So this is, sorry, this is 2, right? Right. So on simplification, we get the point p as minus 10 plus 9, that is minus 1 by 9, comma minus 15 plus 18, that is 3 by 9. So 3 by 9 is nothing but 1 by 3, and minus 20 plus 27 is 7 by 9. So that we get 7 by 9. So this is the point p. Okay. So I have also found the point p. So whenever we have found the point p, already we are having point b. So with the help of these 2 points, now I am going to find the equation of the line pb, and that is the required image line for the given line. Okay. So for that I have found the point b and also the point p. Okay. So now I am going to find the equation of the line pb. Okay. So before going to find the equation of the line, now first I am going to find the drs of the line pb. Okay, so this is equal to, the formula is x2 minus x1 comma y2 minus y1 comma z2 minus z1. Okay, so treat um, the point p as x1 y1 z1 and the point b as x2 y2 z2, or anyway we can treat any point as x1 y1 z1 and x2 y2 z2 as any point. Okay, so and on simplification I am substituting the values in this formula, so that we get minus 1 by 9 plus 7 by 3, comma, so 1 by 3 plus 4 by 3, comma, 7 by 9 plus 1 by 3. Okay, here I have treated the point p as x2 y2 z2 and the point b as x1 y1 z1. Okay, so x2 minus x1, so minus 1 by 9, minus of minus means plus 7 by 3, so that we get minus 1 by 9 plus 7 by 3. In the same way, 1 by 3 minus of minus, we get plus. Similarly, 7 by 9 minus of minus, we get plus. So this is the point. These are the drs of the line pb. So on simplification, we get uh, so we have to find the LCM for this step, so that we get the LCM for here is 9, and we get minus 1 plus 21, minus 1 plus 21 by 9, comma, and here is 5 by 3, comma. Once again, here also LCM is 9, and in the numerator we get 7 plus 3. Okay, so this is the final answer, and on simplification we get 20 by 9, comma 5 by 3, comma and 10 by 9, So these are the DRs of the required line PB. Now I am finding the equation of the line. Therefore, the equation of the image line. So this is our required line, and I am treating this as the required image line. So image line BP bar or PB bar, we can write in any way, is equal to, so the formula is x minus x1 by A is equal to y minus y1 by B is equal to, so z minus z1 by C. So we have to treat either any point, either the point B or P as x1 by 1 z1. And we are also having the DRC ABC values as 20 by 9, 5 by 3 and 10 by 9. So that we get x minus of minus means x plus 7 by 3. So I am treating the point B as x1 by 1 z1. Okay. So by, so 20 by 9 is equal to, so y minus y1. So that we get y plus 4 by 3 by 5 by 3 is equal to z plus 1 by 3 by 10 by 9. Okay. So this is the, required image line for the, so given line equation. Okay. So in this way we have to find the image of the line in the plane. This is very, very important problem. If you can't understand this problem, so then we can discuss in the next class. Okay. So I have given you two problems for finding the image of the lines in the plane. So note down these two problems and you have to work out these two problems by seeing the above problem. Okay. So by listening the above problem very carefully, then you can understand how to find the image of the line in the plane. And this is essay question point of view. This is very, very important problem for essay questions. Okay. Thank you.